Good morning and welcome to Unmute Alabama. When Alabama lawmakers approved new prison construction in 2021, it came with a promise. The state said old prisons were unsafe and too expensive to maintain, so we would build new ones and close the old ones. The savings were a key part of the pitch. Now let's fast forward 4 years. Costs for the new prison in Elmore County have exploded. Another prison hasn't even started construction, and the prisons lawmakers said were unsafe, well, they're still open. And now lawmakers are saying closures are politically difficult and that they don't yet have the answers. Closing those prisons wasn't optional, it was the justification. Without the closures, this isn't a replacement plan, it's an expansion plan. It's just more spending, more pressure on the budget, and the same broken system. Accountability doesn't end once the bill passes, especially when the costs keep growing.